Hello, this is Manny, and this is Drones Meet World. Yeah, I think I have a video before. I'm trying to make this whole outdoorsy, sports, techie channel here. I'm very good with that stuff. I just work a lot, so this is my hobby. I have a Kawasaki Teryx 23 model, two-seater, and I've made a few mods to this thing already. I've put the spotlights, the backup work lights, or reverse lights, signal lights, and the light bar. I've also done, it's a Keywig phone holder, which is pretty cool. I done the cover for the key. That took me like 13 seconds. Our logo. I'm also registered also to be street legal. Well, I'm already street legal in county roads in Georgia. Yep. Part of Tope Racing. From Puerto Rico para el mundo. I'm working right here with this Husky light. That thing is freaking amazing. I'm in my garage. Don't judge me. This will be something that'll continue later on. I do work a lot. I've been a little bit under the weather, but what better time than now to start doing this stuff? So, I also have a Kemimoto light bar. I did put it under the roof on top of this, and it's resting on, well, it's not resting yet on these bars, but if it does tend to slip or whatnot, it'll go backwards, hopefully. And well, it's pretty loud. This is, I think, the 21-inch, if I'm not wrong. It has like 4 speakers and tweeters and stuff. I forgot the specs, but everything that I do have here, I am going to put links for all the mods for Amazon, which is where I've gotten most of these things. Oh, yeah, I have the mirror there. The side mirror here. It's a little dirty because since I'm working with this in my garage, every time I go by it or whatnot, like I push it back and forth, so it's a little smudged. My side-by-side is a little dusty. So what else have I done? Well, I put the switches for all the stuff over there in the front. I have a set of rock lights here from Amazon. I think they're an Amazon brand, Nightlight. I just haven't gotten around to do that. Every time that I have to run wires, like to the back of the cart and everything, I have to cut the straps that I used before just to keep it very organized. I have right here the little holder for the DJI camera. I mean, you could use it with a GoPro too, but here's the little DJI magnet. This thing is pretty cool. And today, what I'll be installing is, of course, off of Amazon. It's an Apple wireless CarPlay little camera, which I don't know the brand. I got it on a pretty good deal by one of the fellow Amazon associates. He posted it right around Christmas time. And I'm not even going to say the price because right now it's like 60 bucks more. So, yeah, it's like 46 bucks. But right now I've seen it like 69 to 100, 109 for that same one. And you hear that little noise. Here's this. Hopefully the audio didn't cut out while that was happening. But if it did, I'm just going to say it again. I got this for 46 bucks off of Amazon. And it's a wireless CarPlay screen. I'm going to see where I'm going to put it here. And also another thing that I bought around the same time I bought that. The Teryx comes equipped with car charger or car charger ports. I am going to probably swap maybe the front one out for this one. If I don't find a good spot for it, it has USB-A and USB-C. And it's supposed to have other features. I don't remember. I just got it on a flash sale around Christmas time. And I figured that'd be a good thing later on, which I order from one of those Shein or Temu or whatever, some like another light for in here. Oh, the other thing I have over here, which I hope you could see it, is flashlight or dome light. It's from Kemimoto. It's USB-C rechargeable, and it's pretty good. So I don't know. I'm gonna find a place for the screen. Is the screen there on the screen? Yeah, that's the screen right there. I'm gonna find a place for it, and I'll be back. I'm gonna put 2 screws wherever I find a place for it, and that's about it. It's not gonna be a whole installation. I don't know where my phone holder is. I could use this tube back here, but then I'll be in the way because I gotta take apart the front and everything just to see what the heck I'm doing. But yeah, on the next part of this video, you're gonna see that. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Here's a CarPlay. This is pretty cool. The screen still has like the little plastic film. So, and it has this little option here to go to the home screen menu, whatever. Pretty cool. It also has Android Auto. Has a bunch of these little settings. Not too much to choose, but the fact that it does have CarPlay, yeah, it's a little smudgy, whatever. I just finished right now. All the tools and everything. I tried to replace this with this, but it's tight as heck, so I'm gonna do it at another time. I do keep this side by side on a trickle charger, which has worked out pretty good. But back to this right here. Oh wait, it's the map. Oops. Oh yeah, it does move. Just show my battery level over here. My Spotify. Look at that. Tis the podcast right there. I know those people. They're my friends. Apple Maps. Says I'm close by home. I mean, it doesn't seem like it's the fastest right now, and I think it's a little laggy just because I'm on the phone. And also using this because it was a little bit more responsive before. But if I'm recording from my phone, then... Oh, and then this little thing that takes you to the home menu or whatnot. You can move it. I mean, you have to move it every time you get into... Like, you turn this thing on. But it's pretty cool. Like, you control the volume here. Boom. See, like, this is more responsive here. And if I go to the home screen, it's faster. So I'm assuming that CarPlay's laggy just because I'm on my phone. But I'm enjoying this. Pretty cool. So yeah. Oh, and I like Batman. Yeah, that was a pretty good, pretty cool deal. Oh, this is part of the installation of my signal lights. I think when I recorded a video, I don't know if I really uploaded it. These were not installed though. So this is pretty cool. And I have a horn. But my wife's up there sleeping and it's 10:54, so I am not messing with that horn. Yeah, I mean, pretty cool. And what I like about this thing is that it'll connect with my soundbar. Yeah, nasty, dirty lens. Let me see. Well, has some lens protector and the light shine, but yeah. So it'll connect with that. I'll control it from my phone, and it's pretty cool. If you're not recording while doing wireless CarPlay, it's a lot less laggy. And what I did was, instead of having like the whole setup of cables right here, I just drilled a hole in the back of this thing and just brought it out to the back just to get this until I get fuses for these stuff, and I could just connect them directly to a battery without having that thing there. And yeah, this is it. There's nothing else. Just click the link for all these things in the bottom. Let me see if my signal lights, if I get a discount code or whatever just to put it with it. All these things are on Amazon. Just click the link. Help me make some extra pennies. I don't make a lot of money per clicks, but you know, it's pretty cool when people see my videos or see my video or see my links from Instagram and stuff like that and buy. It's pretty cool. But yeah, thank you very mucho, everybody, and I will be bugging you on the next one. Yeah, I kind of got slow. Bye.